Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Hope you're doing well. I just got back from my favorite store, the low carb grocery store. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I love and a few things that I'm going to try. So, what do we have here? I love my Joseph syrup and I use that in my granola and a lot of my baking. I use it even in my stir fries when I'm making different types of sauces, and it is super thick and delicious. And I love my Sensado mini semi-sweet chocolate chips also for a lot of my recipes in my muffins, in my banana bread. I love it in my cookies, okay, and my granola. And I also really love the lilies. And I got the salted caramel, which is really delicious. And I love the milk chocolate as well. I absolutely love their Mama Lupa tortillas. And I use these for a lot of my recipes, my tuna melt. I like to add my eggs to it. I love to just add some cream cheese. I love making pizzas with it, and they are really, really yummy. Okay, and also I love their puddings. Okay, I bought enough. I bought actually the pistachio and banana cream. They were out of lemon, but really delicious to add to yogurt and or Cool Whip. You can make it just like that. And I really love their donuts, okay? And I bought the chocolate with vanilla and the lemon. That is super delicious. You keep those in your freezer and they thaw, and they are a great snack. I'm just gonna see, I believe they are 110 calories, which if you're gonna have a donut, that's the way to go, right? I love this honey. It's a substitute. It's by Nature's Hollow, okay, and it's excellent. And I also love the meringues. Now, I've never tried the tangerine. They've got all different flavors, and only 30 calories per serving. Now, those are the products that I use, and I'm going to be trying the chickpea pasta. I've heard so many good things about it. 23 grams of protein. That is amazing, okay? And I'm going to try the carbonara fusilli pasta. So you can see it cooks in 5 minutes, and it is 170 calories, 8 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of protein. So I'm excited to try those. I love always checking out new products. And the other thing that I heard was really delicious was this Catalina Crunch keto friendly, not that I'm keto, but it's a maple waffle cereal with 0 sugar, 11 grams of protein, and 9 grams of fiber. So I'm excited to try those products. And it's really funny. So I said to the guy checking out who knows me, what, no samples? So he gave me a case of the Good Fats, white chocolate strawberry. OMG, are they delicious? 8 grams of protein, only 2 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of net carbs. I believe Costco sells them, but even though the low-carb grocery store is only located in Canada, I know that a lot of these products you can get in the States as well, or on Amazon, or at Walmart, especially in the States. In Canada, it's not so easy to find these products, but they do ship online, the low-carb grocery store. And I hope this was helpful for you guys. Some of the things that I love and what I'm going to try. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Risa Weiner, and share and ring the bell option so you don't miss any of my newest videos. All right. And that's it. So I hope this was helpful. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.